What if spirituality is not something you need to search for, but something you need to remember? What if growing spiritually doesn't require escaping the world, but seeing the world differently? Today, I'll show you how to grow spiritually without pressure, without confusion, and without forcing belief. This is the way of awareness. This is the way of faith. This is the Shinn way. What is spirituality really? Spirituality is not rituals. Spirituality is not perfection. Spirituality is awareness of the invisible laws shaping your life. Florence Scovel Shinn taught that life is a game, and faith is how you play it wisely. To grow spiritually means to trust more, fear less. Speak consciously, respond instead of react. Step 1. Change your inner conversation. Your thoughts are silent prayers. Spiritual growth begins when you watch what you say to yourself. Are your inner words aligned with faith or fear? Shinn said, "Your word is your wand." Speak peace, and peace follows. Speak fear, and fear multiplies. Practice slow pacing. Today, pause before every negative thought. Replace it with trust. That alone grows spirituality. Step 2. Practice. Trust over control. Spiritual maturity begins where control ends. The mind wants guarantees. The soul wants faith. Growing spiritually means saying, "I trust divine order even when I don't understand it." This is not weakness. This is power. Step 3. Use spoken words consciously. Words are not just sound. They are commands. When you say, "I always struggle," struggle listens. When you say, "Good comes to me unexpectedly," life rearranges. Speak gently. Speak truthfully. Speak faithfully. Step 4. Stillness and silence. Silence is where spirituality deepens. Not silence of the mouth. Silence of resistance. You don't need more information. You need alignment. Sit quietly. Breathe. Let go. Stillness trains the soul to listen. Step 5. Love without conditions. Spiritual growth is measured by compassion. How gently do you treat yourself? Love removes blocks faster than effort. When love flows, fear dissolves. Daily spiritual practice. Every morning say, "I trust divine intelligence to guide my steps today." Every night say, "I release today in peace." Simple, consistent, powerful. Spirituality is not becoming someone new. It is remembering who you already are. If this message resonated with you, like this video, share it with someone who needs peace. Subscribe to the Shinn Way for faith-based wisdom, inspired by Florence Scovel Shinn. And remember, trust the unseen, speak wisely, expect good.